Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install TickTick on your Mac. This method works on any Mac OS version, including Sequoia, Sonoma, Tahoe, and older versions too. TickTick is a powerful task management and to-do list app that helps you organize tasks, plan projects, set reminders, and stay productive. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your Mac. In the address bar, go to ticktick.com. I'll also leave the direct link in the description below. Once the website loads, click Download in the top right corner of the page. From the options shown, choose Download for macOS. When prompted, save the installer file to your Downloads folder. The download will begin automatically and may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. After the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the TickTick installer file. A new window will appear. Simply drag the TickTick app into the Applications folder. This installs TickTick on your Mac. Once the copying process is complete, close the window and move the installer file to the trash. Next, open the Applications folder and double-click TickTick to launch it. If macOS shows a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, click Open to continue. The first time TickTick opens, it may ask for permissions such as notifications or file access. Be sure to allow these so reminders and features work correctly. After that, you'll be prompted to sign in. You can log in using your email or Google account, or create a new account if you don't have one yet. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed TickTick on your Mac. You're now ready to manage tasks, plan your day, and boost your productivity. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.